If you keep hearing about Claude Code but the word terminal makes you nervous, this one is for you. Claude Code is Anthropic's coding tool. You describe what you want in plain English, and it writes, edits, and runs the code for you. And here's the part most people miss. If you're running a Hermes agent, you don't install it yourself. Your agent does that. You only handle one step personally. First, 3 things you need: a computer, Windows, Mac, or Linux, a paid Claude plan, and Hermes running. Now pay attention to this one, because it is the #1 reason setup fails. The free Claude plan does not work. On a free account, the install finishes perfectly, and then login gets refused. It looks like a broken install, but it isn't. Check your plan first. Before the steps, one thing that will save you a lot of confusion. Everything here is either something you say to your agent or something you type in your terminal. 2 different places. When you see a rounded bubble, that's a sentence you send to Hermes in chat. When you see a dark box, that's a command you type into your terminal. Paste one into the wrong place, and you just get an error. Step 1. Install it. Open your chat with Hermes and send this. Install Claude Code CLI for me. That is the whole message. Your agent checks what your computer has, downloads the official installer, runs it, and tells you when it's done. You should see a version number at the end. Step 2. Sign in. This is the one part your agent cannot do for you, and that's on purpose. It is your account, so only you should enter your credentials. In your terminal, type Claude Auth Login. A browser window opens, sign in with your paid account, approve it, and come back. If the browser never opens, press the C key to copy the link and paste it in yourself. Step 3. Confirm it worked. Type Claude Auth Status. That tells you whether you're signed in and which account you're using. Or just ask your agent to check it for you. Step 4. Use it. Type Claude in any folder and you get an interactive session. Describe what you want, press enter. Or keep delegating. Use Claude Code to fix this bug. Have Claude Code build me a website. Your agent runs it and reports back. Now 3 things that go wrong and how to fix them fast. 1. It says Claude is not recognized. It installed fine, your terminal just doesn't know about it yet. Close your terminal completely and open a new one. That fixes it most of the time. 2. You get a 403 after signing in. Your plan isn't active, or you signed in with the wrong account. It is easy to use a personal login when the subscription sits on a work one. 3. Anything stranger than that. Ask your agent to run a health check on Claude Code. That runs Claude Doctor, which inspects the whole install and tells you exactly what is broken. And that's it. Install, sign in, confirm, use it. The written guide with every command and every fix is linked below. Subscribe for more,